Okay folks, today plant some cucumber seeds, empty cereal container found on the side of the road, and an empty tote. We're gonna make a KRATKY system. Doesn't have to be perfect.
Let's get started.
All I'm using is a utility knife. Trim some of these corners off. It's a piece of foam I found on the side of the road. Truck ran it over. I pulled over, picked it up, threw it in my truck.
I did find this piece of foam, and as soon as I saw it, I know I needed it. Looking past all the damage and the tire marks on it, I knew I could make use of it, and I have since. It was a full 4x8 sheet thick foam. It was a blessing for me.
Just like that. Even with the top, I was just gonna put 2 holes in it. Using this empty cereal container, make a perfect net cut. Now we want to cut the hole a little smaller because we don't want that net cut to fall through. And because I don't have a big hole saw to cut this circle, I'm going to do it in a square. I'm sure the plants won't mind sticking a round peg in the square hole. There you have it.
Now a lot of the other people that grow in containers will use a soldering iron. Well, I don't own a soldering iron, so I'm using this little propane torch that I have to heat up this X-Acto knife. And all we're gonna do is melt a bunch of slits in the side and in the bottom so the roots can grow out. Now we're just gonna fill our cereal containers with coco coir. Coco coir you can get at your local garden store, and it's very affordable. And I also reuse it over and over, so it will last a long time. Last but not least, we'll plant our cucumber seeds. I'm gonna give them a good watering, set them in a nice warm dark area, and check on them in a few days. So please click that notification bell so you can catch the next update in the Cucumber Grow series. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.